Hello, good day viewers. Let us find a solution to this interesting problem. We are given that if 4x squared minus 12x plus 3a is a perfect squared quadratic expression, we are asked to find the value of a. Alright, I'm going to show you two different ways to do that. Let's start with the first method. In the first method, remember the formula for solving quadratic equations, which is given as what? X equal to minus b plus or minus into square root of b squared minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c divided by 2a. So the radicand b squared minus 4ac is what we call the discriminant. So if a quadratic is a perfect squared 1, then b squared minus 4ac will be equal to 0, definitely. So the discriminant d, which is b squared minus 4ac, must definitely be equal to 0 if at all that quadratic equation is a perfect squared 1. And what is ABC? A is the leading coefficient, which is 4. B is the coefficient of x, which is negative 12. And C is the constant, which is 3a. So let's substitute them back here. A is equal to 4. B is equal to negative 12. And C is equal to 3a. So therefore, instead of b squared, we have what? Negative 12 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 4. C is what? 3a. The whole of this must be equal to 0 for this to be perfect squared. Negative 12 squared is 144 minus 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 times 3 is 48. So we have negative 48a. This is equal to 0. We're going to take this one to the other side. It is going to become positive. So 48a equal to 144, or 144 equals positive 48a. Remember, we are looking for a, so we divide both sides by 48. Therefore, a would be 144 divided by 48. And this is equal to 3. Therefore, a value is equal to 3. All right, the second method. In the second method, I'm going to make 4x squared minus 12x, the first two terms, to be a perfect squared quadratic expression. So let me bring it down here. We have 4x squared minus 12x. To do that, let me factor the leading coefficient because I don't want it here. So we have 4. Inside, we have x squared minus the whole of this divided by 4 is going to give us 3x. So how can we make this one a perfect squared? We can do that by adding to this expression the square of half the coefficient of x. So 4 multiplied by x squared minus 3x. What are we going to add? Negative 3 divided by 2 whole squared. This is what we are going to add to make it a perfect squared. Negative 3 is nothing but the coefficient of x. So this is 4 x squared minus 3x, negative 3 squared is 9, divided by 2 squared is 4, right? So this is 4. So let us expand back. We have 4 times x squared is 4x squared, minus 3 times 4 is 12x, plus this 4 will cancel this 4, right? So we have only 9. So it means that we need 9 for this expression to be a perfect squared expression. But remember, what we have to the end is just 3a, not 9. So we are going to relate this 9 and this 3a. This implies that 3a must be equal to 9 for that expression to be perfect squared. So we divide both sides by 3. A is equal to 9 divided by 3, which is 3. And you see, in both cases, a is equal to 3. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.